Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you and we are always smiling. Right now I'm pretty much going to church. It's a Sunday. It's February, whatever it is, I think it's like February 18th or something like that. But in today's video I'm just gonna pretty much go jerk some pork, sorry to all the 7-day Adventist them. But I'm gonna jerk some pork today, and that's pretty much gonna be the video mostly, because I'm just gonna go to church and have some Sunday dinner. That's it. So Judah bought vanilla to church, and I'm about to get some ice cream from this cream in here. Judah get her cream. It's good. See me, I give you an extra $50 for your honesty, because you could have robbed me. Thank you.
That can't help me, darling. Rob you a $10 or a $20 can't help me.
Trust me, man. Wish we'd have more people like you on the streets. Thank you.
Alright. Alright.
Have a little cream now. Look, a man could have robbed me all again. But to be honest, I understand, I like people like that. So we have pineapple, rainbow,
orange pineapple.
what should I have done?
Gosh, I'm sleeping.
People be there say eat PNP ice cream, I say JLP there. Yes, Lord. Alright guys, so we pretty much just reached the house just now, and we were searching for something to work in here. Because this grill is like a really old grill. So like the bottom got eaten out over time with heat and also rust down there, so I left the grill part that was supposed to go in here to hold the coal, and like we stop a roadside and Jano, we find something that can kind of, you know, keep the coals them afloat, because that's pretty much what we need. So let's get to the hard part, actually lighting the coal. Anyone know anything about starting a fire? Like that's the hardest part, starting the fire. So we gradually get in there, guys. You kind of have to try not to like stifle the fire. Give it some breathing space. Start out with some wood. Get the coals hot, and then gradually. It's not like in America. I know in America you guys have like the pre-lit coals where you can just light it and you just. Alright guys, so the fire is up and running, but it's about to rain. I got some canes sitting there waiting for me to drop the pork on top of it. I'm gonna give it some time though. Cover it down and give it some time. Alright guys, so we just got the pork down on the grill. If you're out here, you can pretty much like smell the sugar cane. It smells like a sweet wood. Smells like cotton candy. And yeah, I've never really made pork before, well, jerk pork, so let's see how this comes out. Babe, back at it again with those potatoes, huh? But anyway, babe, make sure the chicken tastes good, cause I just want to make sure this pork thing really work out. Huh? No, I'm not saying that, I'm just saying I can have room of error, so make sure it's on point, right? Alright guys, so we just got done dealing with the pork. Pork is pretty bomb so far. Well, the pork is done anyway, but yeah, got some pineapples on top of this. I'm gonna make a nice pineapple sauce for it. I'm just grilling the pineapples a little bit to give it a little bit of smokiness as well. And yeah, I think sweetness and heat brings some form of caramelization. I don't even really know. Yeah, I watch a lot of Food Network, so I hear some stuff here or there. Yeah, Stephen Police? Stephen Police? What are you saying? Alright guys, for those of you who know what soursop is, that's what I'm doing, making some quick soursop juice. Pick 2 nice ones from home. I'm about to peel this one too and then get to juicing. Oh my gosh. Judah always a slow eating with her Snapchat.
Turn it around and...
So he's in bed?
Yes.
Go to sleep, go to sleep,
He's
go
on.
to sleep, way too carefully. You sleeping now?
I look forward to working with you, Mr. Trump.
Lock up the bed.
Oh, must I got the bed?
I lock up it.
You loves him. He is amazing. You want to do it?
Ramping shop. And look who else is eating Sunday dinner. Vanilla nutmeg. Nutmeg? Nutmeg? So Judah is like, you have to get like a feedback from the pork. But the pork was good, guys. Like, there's no more. That's the key element. Like, everything today was just lit. Like, everything was good. And yeah. What was your feedback, babe?
From the traumatic encounter on January 16.
What was your feedback?
Brother hospitalized after he was allegedly back.
So we're out here carrying our dog to the bathroom. Yep. But this bathroom look nice.
Yo, I'm dead ass. Like, oh shit, you still vlogging? Say not stop.
Huh?
Say not stop.
Stop vlogging?
Yes,
Why?
I can tell you the story.
Okay. Hey guys, sorry. This bathroom look run down.
I can't take her anywhere.
I'm
else.
joking, babes. It's perfect.
As in, I hate it now because I can't really see. Like, if I come in the night.
Oh.
I'll get there across the road. We're like, fuck no.
Goodbye, rat.
She's so wild. Back it up, back it up, back it up. Vanilla.
Nilla.
Back it up.
Nilla. It was Capo that Japa Deuce long time.
Yo, she takes forever on a day, fam.
She probably nervous because everybody I watch her, babe.
Huh?
She's probably nervous because everybody I watch her. Good night, dark, babes. Good night, dark. She got. Now she's back. Uh-oh.
Back on the grass.
It's so freaky. Can you poop for me, please? She giving Judah a warm time. That's what she needs. She need like these types of responsibilities, like to focus on something, because otherwise she'd probably be on her. Judah, why are you shouting?
She's not listening. You shows out there.
Yeah, because they're big mongrels. Sorry, not mongrels. They're big, what you call them? They're hulks. Van. Nilla. Come. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, you learned your name already, huh? Huh? You gonna be my buddy best pal? You gonna tell me everything that Judah does, hmm? Yes. You're gonna be my spy, my special operative. Yeah. And when she home alone, sometimes you must take care of her, even though she put you up because she wants to be on her phone. Nilla? Hey, Nilla? What happened? Hmm? What happened? What happened?
Look at her, can't stand up. She's so cute.
Alright, come, come.
What you mommy? Come on, princess.
Come for Judah.
Come on.
Go.
Come on. Hi. Hi. You finished? You don't want to poo? Can you not poo in the house? I won't come back walk again. Yeah? Yeah? Come on, Baminos. Let's go catch the supermarket.
Come on, Baminos. Everybody, let's go. Go, let's get to it. I know that you can do it. Alright, you know. Uptown bathroom, you know. Drop it like it's hot, baby.
You know you're being watched. Huh?
So now I drop a thing.
Follow mommy on the grass. Good job. Can you poo for me, please?
Oh,
Yeah, the lawn was nice with the camera.
I can't really show everything that's happening, baby. But I smell it. Yep, you did it.
Good job. Steven says to create excitement when you poo on the lawn. Good job. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes, that's my girl. You shit on the lawn, okay? Not in my room. Okay? Not on mom's rug.
Don't get
either,
angry with
okay?
her right here.
Good job. Oh shit.
It's so small, but it's deadly. Hey, good job. Good job. Good girl. Good girl. Well done. Good job. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good
I
girl.
didn't take her inside.
Good girl. Good girl. You did a good job. Poopy. Poop. You did. You pooped out that in the lawn. You're gonna bite my finger off. Yep. Do your thing, baby. So it's evident this is like your mother. Cause regular girl said, you do regular. you want to poop on that green stuff.
Up 10.
Up 10.
Sunday with the Oreo.
They don't have that one?
Yeah, there. What Oreo on?
We're getting ice cream, guys. We're getting Burger King. Uptown Burger King. Burger King is the best, okay? Because I'm talking like this, you go give me a free one, right? Are you getting a free one?
Yeah, mommy?
Would you even get to nothing?
Buy ice cream from the Devon House store. tell her say Burger King must sponsor you. So put me on TV.
I try to. I can't manage your cone. You can't get the sponsorship again, you know?
You buy kids meal?
Because the actor supposed to can't eat the cone. And then you knock up. I thought Destiny wastes a good cone. Eh? why you like on the camera? To look at you? I can't even see if you can see you. See Judah and our boy shots. So we're pretty much getting ice cream here instead of where we were before. You want to go there? So this time Judah never served me the ice cream in the $40 cup.
It's called a disposable.
It's a $40 cup.
Okay. Chill. You having good dishes tonight? Okay.
Guys, I'm gonna taste that this coffee is strong. Super strong. What time now? It's like 11. I was after 11 and I got work at 1:30 in the morning. I got 4 hours of work, so. Anyways, this is where I'm gonna end the vlog. Remember these 3 things, guys. I need your hand again, baby. Remember these 3 things, guys. Love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link. And like the video. Remember, guys, if you like what's happening, like the video, because I like you.
Was that my link?
Yeah, guys, Judah cannot wink. Babe, wink.
Stop.
All I